Hey my lovelies, hi Polumi here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I hope you had a blast in Diwali and you just spent an awesome time with your friends, family, loved one for the Diwali and the festive season. And since now November is up and rolling, I thought of creating something with the color blue, because blue depicts the color of ice, water, snow. So to recreate that in my mind, I just thought of creating something with the color blue, and mostly throughout this entire month I am going to be playing with the color blue. So this is going to be my theme of this entire month, and keeping that particular theme in mind, I just ended up creating this particular look over here. I hope you guys will enjoy watching this entire video. So now without any more wasting of your valuable time, let's dive into the video. So now as you can see that I'm totally done with my base makeup, so I'll quickly go ahead and start on with my eye makeup. And to start on with my eye makeup, the very first thing that I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go and conceal my eyes. And for that today I'm using my all-time favorite PAC Cosmetics Spotlight Ready Concealer, which is basically this one. So I'm just going to take this directly from the applicator and I'm just going to put on like a few dots onto my lid space to cancel out all the discoloration and to just amplify up the colors that I'm going to use throughout the procedure. First I'm just going to blend the concealer, and to blend the concealer I'm using my PAC brush and I'm just patting it onto my skin. So now at this point what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and start on with my eyeshadow palette, and the very first palette that I'm going to use is by Colourpop Cosmetics Blue Moon palette, which is basically this one. And from this beautiful palette over here I'm just going to take this beautiful shade over here, which is known as Clubbed In. So I'm just going to take this shade and I'm just going to start putting it onto my crease. So now when you can see that I'm done with that shade, which is known as Clubbed In, and so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to blend that shade, and to blend that shade I'm just going to use this particular shade over here, which is known as Fine China. So I'm just going to use this particular shade over here and I'm just going to start blending this particular dark blue shade with this light blue shade. Taking it onto my brush, dusting off the excess, and I'm just going to start putting it and blending it downwards. So now as you can see that I'm totally done with that light blue shade, which is known as Fine China. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back towards my palette, and from this particular palette over here I'm just going to take this beautiful shade which is known as Moonlit, which is basically this one. So I'm just going to take this beautiful shade over here called Moonlit and I'm just going to put it onto like this particular area just to give it that final blend. So yeah, that is what I'm going to do right now. At this point I'm just going back towards the second shade and I'm just blending the last two shades to give it the diffused and seamless blend. So now as you can see that I'm totally done with that light blue shade onto like this crease area. So I'm just going to repeat the same thing, like totally same thing onto my lash line. So I'm just going to start on with the darker blue and then I'm just going to head on towards the lighter blue, and that is what I'm going to do right now. So yeah, starting on with the darker blue, I'm just going to pat it onto my lash line, following the natural shape of my lash line and just bringing it a little bit outwards. So now as you can see that I'm totally done with this particular area. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back towards my palette, and from this particular palette I'm just going to take this beautiful shade over here called Lumi, which is the sparkly white shade, and it is such a beautiful shade, as you can see. I just love using this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this beautiful shade and I'm just going to put it onto like this middle area where I haven't put anything yet. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this one onto like that area. So now at this point, when you can see that I'm totally done with that sparkly white shade called Lumi from my Blue Moon palette, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go towards my Scuba Beauty UV Tackies palette, the Hydra FX palette, which is basically this one. And from this beautiful palette over here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this beautiful pink shade. Oh my god, this looks so good. And I'm just going to take this pink shade, which is known as a bubble butt. So I'm just going to take this beautiful pink shade and just going to draw some outline and some graphic liner onto my eyes to amp up this entire look a little bit more. So now at this point, as you can see that I'm totally done with those graphic liners. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go behind the camera, put on some falsies and some mascara and complete the other eye, and I will be right back. So now as you can see that I'm back after putting on my falsies and completing the other eye, and this is how my makeup turned out to be. I'm super happy with how it turned out to be. And on my lips today I'm wearing my Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick, which is in the shade Girlfriend. And yeah, this is how my look turned out to be. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this entire video, and if you guys have enjoyed watching this entire video, then do not forget to like this video and maybe share it with your friends, family, loved one, anyone who you prefer. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all as always.